Hi, Grant. I think. Can you look at Mama?
Come here, dude.
Hi, Riley.
Come here up there.
Fix his head. Is this your first beach day? Can you say beach?
Beach.
Can you say hi?
You have the worst hat on ever. Oh.
Riley, are you playing in the sand? Are you eating the sand?
Oh, that's a good idea, Rye. Put it in. Fill it up. Fill up the bucket.
Here's the
Yeah,
little
good
guy.
job. Great. You fill up a bucket. Go
Not
get
that
a bucket.
happy.
Go get a bucket and fill it up. See, get the blue bucket. Get the blue one. No, the big one. Yeah, that one. That's a good big bucket. All right. Put it in. Put it in the hole.
It's April. We're at the
Put
beach.
it in the hole. All right, there you go. Dig it up. Fill up the sand.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye, Riley. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.